I've found a hack for the live stream setup. The reason why I'm wearing the cap because the camera is being held with a clip. Let me show you the clip, if you can see or not. That's the clip. It opens up like that. You know what a clip is. So it also works like a tripod. I can simply put it up, place it here when I'm talking to you guys. This is for the YouTube, by the way. And when I need to show my project, I can simply clip it up like that. It has a little bit of weight to it, so I have to get used to it. Watching Office, by the way. So there'll be project here, and when I'm working on a project, you guys can see here. And when I need to talk to you guys, you can face me like this. Looks like a tripod. Looks like a magic. I love this setup. What do you think?